1. All human actions have one or more of these 7 causes: chance, nature, compulsions, habit, reason, passion, desire. 2. Bad men are full of repentance. 3. No notice is taken of a little evil, but when it increases it strikes the eye. 4. I have gained this from philosophy, that I do without being commanded what others do only from fear of the law. 5. Men create gods after their own image, not only with regard to their form, but with regard to their mode of life. 6. A tyrant must put on the appearance of uncommon devotion to religion. Subjects are less apprehensive of illegal treatment from a ruler whom they consider God-fearing and pious. On the other hand, they do less easily move against him, believing that he has the gods on his side. 7. What it lies in our power to do, it lies in our power not to do. 8. All paid jobs absorb and degrade the mind. 9. The least initial deviation from the truth is multiplied later 1,000-fold. 10. Friendship is a single soul dwelling in 2 bodies. 11. Courage is the first of human qualities because it is the quality which guarantees the others. 12. Courage is a mean with regard to fear and confidence. 13. Criticism is something you can easily avoid by saying nothing, doing nothing, and being nothing. 14. Democracy rises out of the notion that those who are equal in any respect are equal in all respects. Because men are equally free, they claim to be absolutely equal. 15. The most perfect political community is one in which the middle class is in control and outnumbers both of the other classes. 16. The energy of the mind is the essence of life. 17. Those who excel in virtue have the best right of all to rebel, but then they are of all men the least inclined to do so. 18. Fear is pain arising from the anticipation of evil. 19. The educated differ from the uneducated as much as the living from the dead. 20. Good habits formed at youth make all the difference. 21. The ideal man bears the accidents of life with dignity and grace, making the best of circumstances. 22. The virtue of justice consists in moderation, as regulated by wisdom. 23. Of all the varieties of virtues, liberalism is the most beloved. 24. Those who educate children well are more to be honored than they who produce them, for these only gave them life, those the art of living well. 25. Youth is easily deceived because it is quick to hope. 27. What the statesman is most anxious to produce is a certain moral character in his fellow citizens, namely a disposition to virtue and the performance of virtuous actions. 28. For one swallow does not make a summer, nor does one day, and so too one day, or a short time, does not make a man blessed and happy. 29. He who is unable to live in society, or who has no need because he is sufficient for himself, must be either a beast or a god. 30. Both oligarch and tyrant mistrust the people, and therefore deprive them of their alms. 31. All human actions have one or more of these 7 causes: chance, nature, compulsions, habit, reason, passion, desire. 34. A tragedy is a representation of an action that is whole and complete and of a certain magnitude. A whole is what has a beginning and middle and end. 35. The greatest virtues are those which are most useful to other persons.